it's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. I would love to have you join my channel and subscribe if you have not already, and check out some more videos. If you are returning, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I am so glad to have you returning to the video. So as you guys read by the title, today's video is going to be my huge grocery haul. This is a bit of a big grocery haul. I feel like I haven't done one of these in quite a while on the channel, so I definitely wanted to share with you. I really needed to restock my fridge after the Thanksgiving holiday, and I didn't want to go grocery shopping before the holiday came in because we needed somewhere, of course, to store all the foods that we were gonna cook and leftovers. So now that I've cleaned out my fridge and got all the leftovers out of the way, I went ahead and stocked up on some things that we actually needed for the house for groceries. So I'm going to share that with you. And then also, guys, I got a new decor piece that I'm so excited to show you. You guys know I love to share all of my home decor and decorating and anything that is involving around my home. So I definitely am excited to show you guys that. But we're going to go ahead and get into the grocery haul first. Alrighty guys, so here are all the things that I got. I actually went to my local food outlet that has been my favorite store lately. I grabbed everything that I needed from this store. It was like a one stop and done. So I'm gonna start with everything that I got here. As you guys can see, it is quite a few things. So starting on this side, they have some of my favorite water there. This is the Elevation water. I love spring water if I have to have it bottled, so I ended up getting this Elevation spring water. And then of course we love the Hawaiian rolls, so I ended up getting these Hawaiian rolls as well. I also got some meats, but I am going to keep those packaged up just so the juices and everything doesn't drip over the counter, because I don't like raw meat dripping. But I got some chicken in here, some pork chop. I also ended up getting Sprite Zero. I'm not like a big soda drinker. I actually really don't drink soda like that, but when I want something carbonated, I'll go for this Sprite Zero. So I got me a big Sprite Zero. I also got some strawberries and cream oatmeal. It is that season for oatmeal where we make it like crazy. I ended up getting some of our favorite Oreos. I ended up getting my kids this little Danimal smoothie things because they've been loving those since forever. So I got those. My kids also had some special snack requests this time. So my daughter wanted dill pickle chips, my son wanted pretzels, and then my other son wanted Little Bites. So those are like special snack requests. We also got size cereal for the hubby. This is his favorite one, so I wanted to go ahead and grab that. And then also we got some mozzarella sticks because we love those as like something to snack on or a lunch option. And then also got some little burger sliders from Smash Burger to make like mini burgers. And then also, guys, I do not always have time to like think of or make breakfast or lunches for my kids, so I ended up grabbing some things. So I got these Jimmy Dean pancake sausage dogs. My kids love these as just like a grab and go breakfast. They do serve breakfast at their school when I'm not able to make them breakfast at home, but sometimes they don't always like what they have, so I ended up getting them these, and I like them too, as well as like for lunch, something quick when we don't have time, or if we're doing stuff around the house and just need something to snack on. We got some of our favorite Hot Pockets here. I know they're not like the healthiest, but they're really good, and I really love these as a kid. So these are the ham and cheddar ones, and then the 4 cheese pizza. Got some more lunch meat. This is the kind that I like to get, the honey uncured deli meat. Also got some Kaneka sausage. We like these for when we actually grill out on the grill. So these are really good for on the grill. Also got some bacon for breakfast. You guys know I love to make a pasta meal, and these toasts for when I don't want to like make up a homemade type of bread. I got these just to pop in the oven. So this is the New York Bakery Texas toast. And then also, guys, you know, it's always good to have like an oven pizza on hand when you don't want to order out or you don't have time to order out. It's good to just have pizza in a freezer or fridge. So I got this DiGiorno 3 meat crusted pizza. And then also, guys, I have been loving, me and my daughter, orange slices, so I ended up getting us some more oranges, and they're just great as like a grab and go snack or something to make really quickly. That store did not have my apples, so I do have to get more apples, but I ended up getting some more sliced cheese, some more corn on the cob because we love corn on the cob. Ended up getting some more rice, and then I used to be in love with my red skin potatoes, so I am just going to start back getting into baking those. They're so good baked up on a sheet pan with seasoning on them, and they just taste delicious. I also ended up grabbing a bag of salmon because that and the red skin potatoes just goes together so amazingly. I ended up grabbing my kids some more chips, snacks for school. I forgot to get them juices, so I have to go back and get those. But then just some flour for cooking as well. And then I also ended up getting some whipped cream because you guys know it's like hot chocolate season, and we love a good whipped cream topping with like some cinnamon. Also, we got some cinnamon rolls, and I got the buttercream kind. That's one of our favorites. Some biscuits to have on hand for like breakfast or dinner or anything. Some orange juice and some milk. And then also, guys, I ended up getting these yogurts that I saw. These are good grab and go for breakfast as well. This is the Too Good strawberry flavored one, and it only has 2 grams of sugar. This is my first time trying this because they didn't have the other one that I like, so I wanted to try this, and it looks pretty good, and it has 12 grams of protein, so it'll keep you pretty full. And I did not get a chance to get fresh strawberries because they didn't have any that looked too pleasing, so I have to get strawberries to go along with this. Even though it's strawberry flavor, I like to have fresh fruit on my yogurt, so I got a couple of those to try them out. And yeah, guys, this is my grocery haul, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this away, and then I'll show you guys the home decor. Guys, so for home decor, I went into Burleson because I was looking for another bow for my Christmas tree because my little angel up there, she is just so teeny tiny and she is not big enough for the top of my tree. So I was on a hunt for a tree topper, but beautiful vase that I thought would look so cute. And after the holiday season is over, this is just going to be so cute. It matches my decor so well. And then I just got this flower to go inside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my living room area, and I'll show you guys what it is. Alrighty guys, so this is where it's gonna go. I'm gonna move this plant out of the way, and I'm gonna put the vase there, and then I will find somewhere else for this plant to go, possibly my room, or I don't know yet, but I'm gonna definitely move this out of the way, maybe into the dining room area for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my vase here.